Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make pink tassel earrings. All materials for earrings you can find in the shop, and link to the shop I leave in description. And guys, support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel and leave your comments about these earrings. And let's start make it. Take polymer clay, roll out and cut out the circle. Put liquid filmer, it's neat for fixing. Take beads and put on the surface. Bake in oven. Put super glue and little bits for nail design for decor. Take tassels and collect it together. And finally you can apply some varnish for shine. That's all, easy tutorials. Now I have stylish earrings. Guys, also I have Instagram. You can find there more earrings. Link to Instagram I leave in description. And guys, thanks for watching me and see you next time. Bye!